Today, I'll show you how to sell luxury purses and goods on eBay, ensuring you get the best experience and profit from your high-end items. Whether you're a seasoned seller or new to the platform, this guide will help you navigate the listing process smoothly and effectively. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to ebay.com. This is where it all begins. eBay is a massive marketplace that connects you with buyers from around the world, making it an ideal platform for selling luxury items. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Sell button. Clicking this will take you into the Sellers section of eBay. Next, after clicking Sell, you'll need to click on Create Listing. This is where you'll start drafting your product listing. It's important to remember that creating a compelling and informative listing is key to attracting potential buyers. Now, it's time to start your listing with the item information. Since you're selling luxury purses and goods, you'll want to be as specific as possible. Enter the brand, model, and any unique features or attributes of your item. This is crucial for helping buyers find your listing among the many available items. Once you've inputted this information, you'll see a Search button. Click on it to find similar listings already on eBay. After clicking Search, you'll be presented with a list of similar items. This step is important because it allows you to find an existing match for your item. Matching your item with an existing listing can save you time and also help you set a competitive price by seeing what others are charging for similar goods. Once you've found a match, click Continue. This step will guide you through the specifics of your listing, ensuring all necessary details are included. Following this, you'll be prompted to select the condition of your item. It's vital to be honest and accurate here. Whether your item is brand new or gently used, clearly stating the condition builds trust with potential buyers. Once you've selected the appropriate condition, click Continue again. Now, it's time to complete your listing. Here, you'll add photos, write an engaging description, and set your price. High-quality photos are crucial for showcasing your luxury items, so take clear, well-lit pictures from multiple angles. In your description, highlight any unique features or benefits, and be as detailed as possible. When setting your price, consider the prices of similar items and the condition of your goods. Remember, pricing your item competitively can make a significant difference in attracting buyers. After carefully reviewing your listing, and once you're satisfied with all the details, it's time to make it live. Click List It to publish your listing on eBay. Congratulations, your luxury purses and goods are now available to millions of potential buyers worldwide. Selling on eBay can be a rewarding experience, especially when dealing with high-end items. By following these simple steps, you ensure that your listing is informative, attractive, and competitive. Thank you for joining me today, and happy selling.